All we have to do is we select this copy, come back to Google Doc, and then we paste it in. And just like that, in less than 1 minute, ChatGPT has helped you write an amazing where there are thousands of people online who will be happy to pay you $25 or even up to $35 for each that you wrote for them. And you can do this over and over again. All you have to do is just copy and paste. In this video, let's talk about how to make money with ChatGPT fast. So listen, if you're interested in learning how to use AI, how to use ChatGPT to make money, then this video will show you how. By the way, I promise you this is a new secret method that no one else is talking about on YouTube, and it will reveal to you one of the fastest, easiest way to use AI to make money quickly. So I'll show you exactly how in just a minute. Alright, so just a quick introduction, just a quick recap. If you're new to what is ChatGPT, there's a chatbot that can answer questions and write essays. So recently, it has gone viral. Everybody is talking about it, but only very few people realize that you can use this tool to make money. And by the way, in the CNBC News article, you can see that after OpenAI released ChatGPT in just 5 days, there has been over 1 million users for ChatGPT. So why am I showing you this? Why am I telling you that there's over 1 million people using ChatGPT? Because listen, if you're not going to take advantage of this new amazing opportunity where you can use AI, where you can use ChatGPT to make money, then you're losing a ton of money, because if you don't use it, then other people will take your money away. There will be many other people who will be happy to take it away from you. Alright, so this is what ChatGPT looks like. I'll show you how you can use this to make money in just a minute. Now, just a quick show you the power of ChatGPT. It can do amazing things like even summarize books. So like this popular book, Atomic Habits. Instead of me reading it, I could just tell ChatGPT to summarize the book, and bam, just like that, I already know what the book is about, and I don't even have to read it. Why? Because I could just tell ChatGPT that, hey, what are the top 10 best ideas from the book? Bam, just like that. They'll tell me what are the best ideas. Okay, so you can see for yourself how amazing this AI is. So I can get it to write anything you want. Okay, even something like explaining World War II, do a 10-year-old, and just like that. They're right in such a way that it is very easy to understand. And even things like what caused the 1929 stock market crash, ChatGPT can immediately write it out for you to explain. Now, you probably don't care about all those things, right? If you click into this video, that means you're interested in learning how to make money online. So look, if I ask ChatGPT, hey, what are the best 5 ways to make money online today? Here are some of the suggestions, and they are all pretty decent, right? Thanks. So you can see even ChatGPT tells you that freelancing is one of the best ways to make money online. And if you have a skill such as writing, well, good news is, as I've already proved to you, as you probably already know yourself, ChatGPT can write really well, and it can write very, very fast. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering, so how exactly can you make money with ChatGPT? I'll show you how in just a second, but first, get this. So Fiverr is a website where you can make money by selling services as a freelancer. Now, there are many ways you can make money on Fiverr with writing. However, one of the fastest and easiest way, and very profitable way, is to write product descriptions. Because look, have you ever bought anything online? Have you bought anything from Amazon before? Okay, if you bought anything online, you'll realize that there is always a product description. A product description that helped to sell the product to you. They helped persuade you to make you buy, right? So there are a lot of online e-commerce business owners who needs people to help them write product descriptions. Okay, so as you can see, these are Fiverr's freelancers that are charging the business owners money to help them write product description. Our Amazon product description is charging from $35. This guy, alright, Amazon product listing that sells starting at $25. Here's another one, and the fact that they all have a lot of reviews. It is proof that you can make money helping this Amazon business owners write their product description. And Amazon just one, there's also Shopify. The whole e-commerce industry is huge. There's a lot of business owners who are doing Amazon FBA, people who are doing Shopify drop shipping, and they need people to help them write product description, which is why you can see they all have a lot of reviews. Hundreds of reviews, some of them have over 1,000 reviews. So for Shopify is the same thing. You can see this guy, I will write Shopify product descriptions that sell. He tried us $35. So think about it. You can use ChatGPT to help you write product description, and just like that, in just a few minutes you can get paid $35 to write one product description, and you can do it over and over again. without even having to write anything yourself, because all you do is just copy and paste. Now here's another one. I will do killer Shopify product descriptions, $20. Here's another one. From $10. Here's another one. $45, and here's just a couple more, and all of them have reviews. Again, this is proof that if you were to go to Fiverr and start charging people money to write product descriptions, there are a lot of people who are willing to pay you money to help write product descriptions. So now, how do you use ChatGPT to help you write a product description? I'll show you how right now. So first of all, let's use this product as an example. Okay, this is an Amazon product, and you can see this is some kind of vegetable chopper. So how do we use ChatGPT to write out a product description instantly? Let me show you how right now, so that by the end of this video, you can use ChatGPT to make money by helping business owners write product descriptions, and you can get paid to do so. So let me show you how right now. So I'll just go ahead and copy the name of the product. To get ChatGPT to write you a product description, you can start off by telling ChatGPT what is the product. So I'll just put product. I'll put this, and then from here you want to describe the product. Now obviously when you get an order from Fiverr, they're going to tell you what is the product. So for example, let's say we are writing a product description for this Amazon product. So we just go ahead and put in the description is a vegetable chopper. It's a 13-in-1-foot chopper. All these things. So after you describe the product, you want to go ahead and set the tone to be persuasive, because we are trying to write a product description that will sell. That's why you want it to be persuasive. You notice that for Amazon, it starts off with bullet points, right? We have 5 bullet points over here. So that's the first thing we want to use ChatGPT to write. Okay, so here's what I can do. You can say something like this. Write 5 Amazon optimized bullet points, explaining the features of the product and the benefit of feature using the phrase. So you can, because look, you don't ChatGPT to just write out 5 very random bullet points. If you want to write a persuasive product description, if you want to write a compelling product description, you need to not only talk about the features, you also have to focus on the benefits. That's why when I'm writing to ChatGPT, I'm telling ChatGPT to not only write in the, I also want them to explain the features and the benefit of each feature. And I ask you to write it in such a way that it uses the phrase so that it is very obvious that it is a benefit. So just like that, ChatGPT wrote out 5 bullet points for us. Now remember, the only thing I gave to ChatGPT was to just describe the product. That's the only thing I gave to ChatGPT. And this 5 bullets, they wrote it back to me immediately. I didn't even have to do anything. Okay, so we have the feature and then we have the benefit. So as you can see, ChatGPT is very powerful. It can immediately write 5 bullet points that not only talk about the features, it will also focus on the benefits as well. This is how you write a compelling product description. And now all we have to do is go ahead and select all of these copy, then we go over to our Google Doc and we just paste it. Now coming back to Amazon, you can see that after the 5 bullet points, if you scroll down, then we will see that there's a product description. Okay, so we can just use ChatGPT to write out the product description. So I'll just continue the same conversation. I'll just say something like this. Write your compelling product description. And then all we have to do is we select this copy, come back to Google Doc, and then we paste it in. And just like that, in less than 1 minute, ChatGPT has helped you write an amazing product description where there are thousands of people online who will be happy to pay you $25 or even up to $35 for each product description that you wrote for them. And you can do this over and over again. All you have to do is just copy and paste. So to help you out, let me just show you the template that you can use to write product description instantly. So first off, you're going to describe the product. So when you get an order from Fiverr, they're going to tell you what product they need you to write a description for. So all you do is just fill in the blanks, describe the product, then you want to tell ChatGPT to write in a persuasive tone. And then you just use this line work forward. Okay, write 5 Amazon optimized bullet points explaining the features of the product and the benefit of each feature using the phrase. So you can just use this entire sentence work forward so they can get ChatGPT to write out 5 compelling bullet points for your product description. And then afterwards, the next step is, you just tell ChatGPT to write a compelling product description, then just copy everything into a Google Doc. And then you can send it to your customer on Fiverr. If you got any value from this video, if you find it to be helpful, useful, if you learn anything, then go ahead and like this video. So listen, remember to subscribe now because I'll be making even more videos that will help you make money online. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.